What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So I was at my local food line the other day and I came across this non-dairy Alfredo sauce by Primal Kitchen. I thought it looked pretty neat, and part of the point of this channel is to show you that you can live in a small town and still be vegan. So I thought I'd test it out and tell y'all what I think.
Delicious.
So to give my thoughts on it, I thought it was really good. I thought it was seasoned pretty well. It was really creamy, and of course it was really easy to make a meal out of, as you probably saw. So I think this is definitely something I would get again, and something I would recommend you get if you come across it. I looked into this brand, Primal Kitchen, and they have a lot of other vegan and organic sauces and condiments, so I'll definitely be looking for them more in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new, and if you did, don't forget to drop me a like, share with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.